When you're spending long hours on your knees, having the right knee protection isn't optional. It's essential. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 knee pads on Amazon that deliver the best in comfort, durability, and all-day protection, no matter the job. First on the list is the NoCry Professional Gel Knee Pads, a go-to favorite among tradespeople and DIYers alike. These knee pads feature a combination of heavy-duty foam and gel inserts that provide exceptional cushioning. The contoured shape molds to your knee for a snug fit, and the thick poly shield protects from rough surfaces like gravel, concrete, or tile edges. What really makes these stand out is the dual strap system, fully adjustable and secured with slip buckle clips, not Velcro, so they stay in place even after hours of use. Whether you're installing flooring or framing walls, users consistently praise how these pads hold up without slipping or digging in. At a price point that balances value and performance, the NoCry Professional Gel Knee Pads are one of the most dependable options available. Next up are the Thunderbolt Platinum Pro Gel Knee Pads, which are often described by users as surprisingly comfortable and built to last. These pads take a slightly different approach by combining soft gel cores with high-density foam and wrapping them in a flexible, non-slip silicone cap. That makes them especially great for indoor work on smooth surfaces like laminate, vinyl, or tile, where you don't want your knee pads sliding around. The wide, secure straps are designed to distribute pressure evenly, minimizing that uncomfortable pinching feeling behind the knees. Thunderbolt also includes extra long straps to accommodate all body types. With over 16,000 positive reviews and a 4.6-star average rating, these pads deliver on both comfort and durability, making them a solid choice for flooring contractors, HVAC techs, or anyone who needs consistent performance during long shifts. Our third pick is the NoCry LightGuard Pro Anti-Slip Flooring Gel Knee Pads, which cater specifically to those working on delicate or easily scratched surfaces. Unlike traditional hard-shell knee pads, the LightGuard Pro features a non-marring leather-textured cap that grips the floor without damaging it. Inside, thick gel and foam padding reduce joint strain, and the pads are ergonomically shaped to allow for flexibility while kneeling, crawling, or squatting. These pads also use reinforced stitching and tough synthetic materials, making them highly resistant to tearing or cracking under pressure. If you're a flooring installer, cabinet maker, or work in a trade where aesthetics and precision matter, these knee pads offer excellent floor-safe protection without sacrificing comfort. Coming in at number 4 are the Klein Tools 60491 Hinged Gel Knee Pads, specifically engineered for tradespeople who work in construction, electrical, or HVAC industries. What makes these unique is their hinged design, which reduces pressure behind the knees and allows for better movement while walking or kneeling. This innovation eliminates the common problem of straps digging into the back of your legs. The gel and foam combination provides comfort, and the outer shell is durable enough to withstand rugged use. Klein Tools is a respected name in the trade industry, and this knee pad lives up to that reputation by delivering practical, long-lasting protection with comfort-focused engineering. Users appreciate the secure fit, premium materials, and thoughtful design that accommodates high-mobility work environment. Finally, if you're shopping on a budget but still want serious protection, the FREEKYROCK Professional Gel Knee Pads are worth a look. These pads offer excellent bang for the buck, featuring thick gel cores, dense foam padding, and a hard outer shell for heavy-duty environments. Despite being priced lower than many competitors, they don't skimp on quality. The dual strap system helps keep them securely in place, and the military-grade rivets and tough exterior make them ideal for rough surfaces like pavement, gravel, or rooftops. Users often comment that they're surprised by how durable and comfortable these pads are, given the low price. For occasional use or homeowners tackling a major renovation, FREEKYROCK pads provide real protection without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more honest tool reviews and gear recommendations to help you work smarter and safer.